for you, kid. Look out, I'm right behind your back. Can't spare me, I'll only attack. Defense so natural. My determination is my obligation. Please now, Chara, listen to your soul. Mine's dead anyway, what the hell are morals? I control you, your life's mine. I don't wanna fight you, please don't erase this timeline. Please listen, tell me, don't you see you're crazy? Making friends won't get you any place. Look kid, I came back from dying, trying to spare my life is a huge waste. Listen, I think you can change. If you try, just you wait. Take one more step and I'll seal your fate. I know there's good inside of you. Just do what your soul tells you to. Don't pull the knife on all the people you defend on. Killing everybody causes quite a problem. Oh no, what a shame, all I see is red. If you get in my way, you'll just wind up dead. Don't you see now, please realize I'll reset this timeline till I see that no one dies. My power. Stop it, look at what you're doing. Don't you see that none of this is right? You don't determine my morals. Look at this timeline in black and white. You know you don't have to fight. We'll fight, we'll be fine. Put down the knife. Stop your whining, just lay down and die. Maybe you'll change, abandon all your wicked ways, and save this timeline. Please spare all your friends. Maybe you'll see that with all the love you've gained, you could throw it away and protect your... Oh, who are you kidding, kid? Sparing lives doesn't get you anywhere. You've never had the strength to fight back. And if I could kill you, I would, but that's frowned upon in the underground. Actually, screw it. Burn in hell! Yeah! So I'm not ever going to fight you. You have a soul just like everyone. Fine then, go be the pacifist. That just makes killing you so much more